Experience easy-to-use and functional automated trading with TradeSharp. TradeSharp gives you the ability to manage connectors for different market data providers. You can connect to any existing data connector as well as open connections with multiple data providers at the same time. You can also manage connectors for order execution providers separately, open connections with multiple execution providers, and route orders to individual connectors simultaneously. You can also add new connectors to the system with minimal coding, create a new library for the connector, and simply add the newly created library through the user interface, and start using the newly added connector throughout the system. Use Connected Data Provider in the Market Scanner window to view live market data feeds. You can visualize data feed from multiple connected market data providers simultaneously. Each individual market scanner window gives you multiple options, including view best market prices, view level 2 data for each subscribed symbol, and also the level 2 data for multiple symbols can be visualized side by side. The scanner window also provides options for manual trading. You can buy and sell different types of orders and also choose from any connected execution provider on which to send the order. All the manually sent orders can be tracked in the Orders tab. You can monitor status for each order, keep track of positions for each traded symbol, and also view execution details for each filled order. TradeSharp also offers the ability to save market data from any connected provider. Save data in multiple formats. Choose the desired market data type to download, and for the bar and historical data, you can specify your required data properties. TradeSharp offers the ability to execute automated strategies. You can choose from an existing sample strategy already added to the system, or add a new strategy into the system. To add a new strategy, create a new library which provides the implementation of the desired automated strategy interface. Add this new strategy into the system through the user interface. The newly added strategy can now be used in the system instantly. The parameters required by the strategy can be entered manually, as well as you can use an already defined CSV file to create a single or multiple instances of the same strategy. Each strategy instance can be managed individually. You can also edit instance parameters, and you can choose to run the instance in a live environment or backtest the individual instance. The status field provides a perfect way to track the individual strategy instance lifecycle. Keep track of individual instances' trading activity and monitor orders generated via each strategy instance. The status changes indicate the working and completion of a running strategy instance. Select from two supported optimization methods, genetic and brute force, to find the best parameters suited for your strategy. The genetic algorithm provided is a custom implementation of open-source A-Forge genetic library, which allows the use of any number of parameters in the optimization process. Also control individual genetic parameters for a better optimization process. The both supported optimization processes can be run simultaneously. For brute force optimization, you can create parameter combinations by providing an end value and an increment factor to create a range for each individual parameter. Statistics of each individual iteration can be viewed to analyze which parameter combination can produce best results for the strategy. While the optimization process is running and results are being compiled, other functionalities in the system can be fully utilized. You can execute multiple strategies in parallel. Even with extensive application use with multiple operations, running the user interface remains fully responsive and functional.